All right, guys, I promise I'm gonna be brief. I'm gonna share with you guys about how to run Google Chrome because your Google Chrome is just running, but just appears and after disappears suddenly. And I had a client with the same problem, so now I'm gonna just share with you guys what I did. So I just went here, I would say Tools Manager or something. I don't know. You guys go to the service, and then guys have to find this service. Let me try here. Go down here. No, this one. WPCMONSVC. This one, just like parental control. If it is running, you have to stop it. Okay. Since you stop it, you're gonna have a possibility to check your Google Chrome. Probably it's gonna just run. I don't know. Probably try just reinstall that after that. Also, it can be another way. Also, you can close processes that is just like running here on Google Chrome, but now I don't have anything because I already just closed that. So yeah, I finished. Oh yeah, here for example, look. So you can close it even though sometimes, yeah, now I'm running it, so that's why. But it's another way that you can do. But usually, the way that I'm telling you here in the service is because it's because when you just run it, it just appears and after it disappears. So that's the way that it worked for me. Okay. See you guys next video.